a review not too long ago on the deluxe box. If you didn't see that, please, what you want it for? So I said, I'm gonna recreate this at home. So I use this to season my chicken as well as make my ranch. Now the avocado, I don't know what happened to it. I bought it and then I lost it. So I just made ranch without the avocado. However, if you have the avocado, use it. It's mine. This should still be good. With this, I have sour cream with a combination of mayo and some of the seasoning pack. And that's my ranch. Back here, I have my bacon. I'm gonna use a combination of this little red hot cheese that I got. It's kind of, but you can use any type of cheese because that sandwich it was spicy. I'm gonna use that. Also with a combination of my mozzarella cheese, taco seasoning ranch, as well as my salt-free seasoning, and this have a combination of a lot of different seasonings. I cleaned it, I cut it into cubes, and I seasoned it. And it's probably been marinating in the refrigerator for about 5 hours, and then I took it out for about 30 minutes to let it, get back to room temperature. And I also put a little vegetable oil in here along with my seasonings to marinate it. That's all you have here, but you can use any type of oil, olive oil, any type of oil. You're also supposed to be using tomatoes. I don't have that, so that's gonna be excluded. However, if you have tomatoes, go ahead and use that. So that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, I have that on medium high heat, some bacon that I'm gonna cut up into like little chunks. Okay, I went ahead and cut it. Some of it was kind of big, but I didn't want it too small. You mad? How dare you popping off on me like that? Literally. Alright, let me turn this off. I'm tired of your attitude. Alright, just been a few minutes. I'm gonna turn it over now. I put a little bit of water inside where the chicken came from. Now I'll pour it in here. Yeah, I'm going to turn this off. Hold on, put this over again. Let's go. Okay, this is the pan that I cooked the chicken in, and it still have the residue. I'm gonna keep it in there. Let's cut it in half. All right, the bacon grease that I used to make the bacon, I'm gonna put a little bit in here and turn it on medium high heat. And I'm gonna take my naan bread and roll that around. I'm trying to do the front and the back. I'm gonna take this one out real quick. I ain't done with it. I'm gonna put it back in there. I'll do the same for this as well. In the back of the shell is gonna be, you can tell the difference. It's gonna be the inside, the other one's gonna be the back. Alright, pick some of this up. Take some of my cheese. Alright, a little cheese. Try to put this on it on top. Let me turn it off real quick. I don't want to burn it. I feel like it's sticking already. Okay, I broke it kind of like in half, and I'm just gonna be on the inside of it. Taco Bell don't have that, but I'm gonna have it. Check this real quick. Okay, it ain't too bad. It smells good though. If you can see it, what I'm gonna do is put it inside here so it can be folded up. Okay. Do you see it? And I'm gonna do the other one, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna do this right now. I'm ready to, some sour cream and put some in here. I'm not sure how they layer theirs, but it really don't matter to me. So I'm gonna do it how it wants. And I'm gonna take some of my chicken. Don't overdo it, cause you will. You good for doing that. And this is the time if you have tomatoes, you can put the little tomatoes on the top. I ain't gonna lie, I do kind of like want the red from tomatoes to like You know, put like a different, even though it's close to the brown, but it's a little bit brighter. Hey, yeah. Now, if you seen the Yo Quiero Taco Bed Deluxe Box Edition, you know I had and that was delicioso. So I had to make it myself. Now the cheese, oh, I think I did pretty good. Like I said, I'm missing the avocado. I don't know where I bought it. Where is it? Probably hiding. And then I missed it. Oh yeah, they had pico de gallo. If you see, I made the onions, but I made it with the chicken, so it was sauteed. And I'm missing the tomatoes that go in it, but it's cool. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. That was only actually the naan bread with the ranch. Baby, it's good without the meat. Oh my gosh. Mm-mm-mm. I have a new thing. If it exceeds 10, oh, Zay, baby, I'm gonna have to tell you. This exceeds it. Have you seen that one? That was good. I don't know if they're gonna take away from Taco Bell and I'll still get it. Probably if it's in a box, but by itself, the price. But this, even though it's too like the one in Taco Bell, but it's way bigger. The meat is more quantity. The bacon is more and it's real. This is good. It's 11. Salt just enough, not overly salted. But you know, bacon's also got salt in it. But it's good, just enough. Mm-mm-mm. I can't say the one, not this. This the one, not two. Because obviously it's two of them. But this time it's the two, not the one. In a good way. In the best way possible. Like this. God bless day.